People and technology have been a critical part of the PCS DNA for over 50 years. And this has been driven by the desire for us to provide more efficient and consistent outcomes for our customers. And certainly the robot technology is not new to the industry, but what is different this time is the way that the technology, the price point, the quality and consistency has all come together so that now we can provide real solutions that are practical and can be implemented at site to the benefit and value to our customers. Whiz has many benefits, and some of the standout features are its brain, the smart technology around sensors, the HEPA filter and also the data collection tool. What this means is we're able to very quickly and easily set up a cleaning route for a new facility within minutes. So our teams can then, with the press of one button, let Whiz go and do its thing. Whiz has also the benefits of being able to clean large surface areas very, very easily and undertake repetitive tasks. This means we can do more with less. It also means that our staff are able to concentrate on high touch point cleaning and also deep cleans. When we look at the HEPA filter, along with the data collecting, we can evidence to our customers the cleaning that has been done and the level of cleanliness as well. We have successfully deployed Whiz to a number of our key accounts across Thailand, and much to the satisfaction of our customers. We will continue to deploy Whiz across PCS and across our client base, and we will continue to invest in new innovation and technology so that we will become and remain a key driver in the FM industry in Thailand.